Anybody who have PAL or cocoa, you should also have it at the back of your mind that your penis can shrink at any time. That is the fact. If you have cocoa or PAL, you can face penis shrinking. Okay, now diabetes. Diabetes patients can also face penis shrinking. Diabetes patients can also face penis shrinking. So if you have diabetes, blood pressure can also cause your penis to shrink. You see, these are very things. These are the most important things that we have to know at the back of our mind, so that when you have this problem and you want to get any enlargement product, you have to first treat that problem that is causing the penis to be shrinking. You have to treat that problem first. You see, you first have to treat that problem that's causing the penis to be shrinking. Until you remove that problem there, you can solve your problem, you can enlarge your penis, and you can get back your confidence. You see the thing? So let's have it at the back of our mind that before you think of getting any enlargement product, you first have to treat that infection. You first have to treat that bacteria that you have caused yourself during masturbation. You have to treat that problem first. You have to treat the cocoa or the PAL you have in your system. You have to treat it first. When somebody says cocoa, is something that sometimes when you go to toilet, you find it so hard to go to toilet to ease yourself. When sometimes you notice that your inside your private part, you see something is coming out. You see, I don't know how to describe that thing for you. Or sometimes when you go to the toilet, when you visit the toilet, you will see blood. That makes you to find it so hard to ease yourself. You see, so always before we think of getting any enlargement product, the first thing one must think first is what? Treat any problem you have that is causing the penis to be shrinking. Treat that problem first. You need to treat that problem first. So when it comes to waist pain, there's possibility, but it is 50-50. Waist pain can also cause your penis to shrink, but it is 50-50. It's not 100% this thing, but it is 50-50. Waist pain can also cause your penis to be shrinking. Waist pain can cause you 100%, how do you call it, premature ejaculation. Waist pain can cause you erectile dysfunction. Anybody who is facing waist pain, if your waist is paining you, automatically you cannot perform well in bed. You see, anybody facing waist pain, if you have waist pain, always you cannot go straight, you cannot walk straight, you are feeling pain, serious pain in your waist, automatically you cannot perform well in bed. You see, so there are things that we have to realize first, so that we take a step in, to treat them first. But if that problem remains there and you are trying to enlarge your penis, it doesn't matter how popular that medicine, just like my own. It doesn't matter how popular the enlargement product will be. It doesn't matter how powerful that product will be. As long as you still have the problem remains in your system, that problem is going to be fighting the cream or the enlargement product to work. So we in our community FTs, we are saying that for someone to think of enlarging their penis when you have infection, when you have done masturbation, the first thing you have to think of, you get yourself the manpower. Get the almighty manpower. Now, for anybody who has done masturbation, if you have ever done masturbation, if you have how do you call it? If you have waist pain, right? If you have done masturbation, if you have infection, but let me go first on masturbation. For masturbation victims, if you have ever done masturbation, you should know, like I said earlier on, that masturbation is the one that is causing your penis to be shrinking. So before you think of enlarging your penis, please, let's treat the masturbation bacteria first. So in this case, when you have done masturbation, you want to enlarge your penis, the first thing you must do is get the manpower. Now, for anybody who has done masturbation, if you have ever done masturbation, if you have how do you call it, if you have waist pain, right, if you have done masturbation, if you have infection. But let me go first on masturbation. For masturbation victims, if you have ever done masturbation, you should know, like I said earlier on, that masturbation is the one that is causing your penis to be shrinking. So before you think of enlarging your penis, please, let's treat the masturbation bacteria first. So in this case, when you have done masturbation, you want to enlarge your penis, the first thing you must do is get the manpower. When you get this manpower, you are going to divide it into two. Divide it into two. Put one part in a bottle, just like my own. This is my manpower. You see, the alcohol is almost finished on it, right? So you are going to put one part in a bottle like this. Add the alcohol on it. If you can take alcohol, add alcohol on it. After you add the alcohol on it, leave it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you take a shot morning, a shot evening. It works faster when you take it on empty stomach. Take a shot morning, a short evening. Keep on doing that thing for 7 days. That is 1 week. Keep on repeating the manpower for 7 days before. So let's say 7 days. It means that when you get these two products, let's say when you get the enlargement product and the manpower, you are not going to start the two at a time. No. So you are going to be using the manpower for 7 days. After 7 days, you cannot come to the cream. Why do we say that you have to use the manpower for 7 days? We assume that the bacteria that is causing the penis to be shrinking is in your system. So once you start taking the manpower, when you start taking the manpower, this manpower is going to fight the bacteria, that bacteria that is causing the penis to be shrinking. The manpower is going to fight it and is going to clear it out. So before 7 days, you have already cleansed your system, because this is system, it cleans the system so well. It is also an immune system booster, right? So for anybody who have done masturbation, it's good that you first take the manpower. So you get the manpower first, then you cleanse your system after 7 days. Now you can now come back to the cream. You can now come back to the cream. So this cream, let's say after 7 days, so please take note of this. So once you come back, when you come back to the cream, every morning after showering, just like this morning that I shower, the first thing I must do is that I get the cream, I smell it all over my penis, and then you massage. So in this case, anybody who is having erection problem, so before you apply this cream, before you massage your penis using this cream, you must first get erection. Your penis must stand hard and strong, right? Your penis must stand hard and strong. Please, we can be tapping on the screen and be sharing to friends to also follow us, right? Your penis must first stand hard and strong before you start using the cream. So for someone who say that, as for me, I don't get erection, my penis doesn't stand hard, so how will I use this cream? That is why we say that first you must take the manpower, because the manpower is an immune system booster. It works on erectile dysfunction. This manpower works. So for someone who is facing erectile problems, someone who is facing premature ejaculation problem, once you take this manpower, it's going to work on your erectile dysfunction problem. It's going to work on your erection problem. So after that 7 days, you'll start getting erection. That is where you start using the cream. So this cream, you smell it all over your penis. You massage this at least 10 to 15 minutes long. After that, in the evening when you are going to sleep, you massage again. In the evening when you are going to sleep, you massage again. Massage at least 10 to 15 minutes long. Mostly in the evening after massaging, do not wear anything before you sleep. That's when you are sleeping alone. When you are sleeping in your room alone, you can go after this without even putting on any cloth. Sleep. But if you're sleeping with somebody, you might not like your partner, your friend, or your brother to see your nakedness. So you can cover yourself. But if you know you are sleeping alone, you, after applying this cream, do not put on any cloth. Look, I give you from the first day to the 10th day that you started using this cream, you see changes. It is all depends on you being consistent in the application. All that this product needs from you is that one must be consistent in the application.